back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Happy Friday, yay! So I am super excited. We have a new subscription and it is a subscription for moms. So I'm super excited to dive in here, share with you guys what is in this box, find out for myself what is in this box. This is the Boxy Momma company, and it is literally a subscription box for moms. There's a different theme every month. I love here on the back of the box it says hashtag my mama stuff. So we are going to dive in here and see what this is all about. This is the September 2018 box, so I am ready to see what is in here and just what this subscription is all about. It seems amazing, so we'll find out. I will make sure to link down below for you guys a link to get you to the website if you would like to sign up. It is $39.99 a month. And they do have another option, like the mailer or mini mailer or something, and I believe it's about half the items and it is $19.99. So you do have a couple options. So if you are a mama and you want to treat yourself, here's a box for you guys. So let's open it up and see. I love here it says your box has arrived. So, and the box is really cute with the pink and the polka dots and just, it's great. So, we're gonna see. And if I didn't say it, thank you guys for being here. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, go ahead and hit subscribe and join our little family here on YouTube. And don't forget to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The link will be below as well. Okay. All right. So we open it. This is what it looks like. There is a card, and it's got the cute little paper. And here it has, you can follow them on Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook at the Boxy Momma Co. So let's read the card. Hey Mom, the school year is upon us. It's that time of year that I personally spend a lot of extra time in my car, dropping off and picking up kids, running to and from sports, clubs, lessons, doctor's appointments, here, there, and everywhere. I thought it was a great time to give you some goodies for on the go. You spend plenty of time running everyone around that you deserve some cute stuff for your car, purse, and yourself. Feel a little more pampered, organized, and ready for the ride. Go, Mama, go. So that is so cute. So let's see here. Okay, so there is another card that tells us everything that's in the box. We're not going to peek. We are going to see what we've got. So the first item I see here is actually super, super cute. It is a 2019 Do It All Mom Planner. Starts August 2018 through December 2019. It says it has tear off shopping and to-do list, planning space for 6 family members, a great quotation every week, and stickers. So let's see here. Keep yourself and your family organized with this 2019 Mom Do-It-All Planner. Perfect for moms at any age or stage to keep on track, and it's small enough to fit in a diaper bag or purse. And it retails for $14. So this is super, super cute. I love that it has that to help keep it closed. And it must, okay, so that's actually kind of like a little pocket. And then, let's see. And it does. Goes like week by week. case of emergency, this planner belongs to. So this will definitely come in handy. So that is cute. And then we have a pin. It says, "Don't stop believing." And it looks like a UFO flying. And then like it said here, it says, oh, don't stop believing. Makes me want to sing some Journey. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a cute pin to fill in your new planner. Perfect. These fancy floaty pins are from Fred and Friends. The retail value is $4. So we got a pin to go with our planner. Yay. And what is this? Oh my goodness, you guys, these are so cute. Monkeys. Keep all of your keys organized, colorful, and cute with your new Monkeys key covers from Fred and Friends. Retail value is $6. You guys, these are precious. So we can do, you know, house key. I have a key to my mom and dad's house. Just different things. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is precious. I really like that. Sorry guys, I had a little thing, so my camera stopped. So anyway, we have a card here that says what's next. This is get ready for the season with our Fabbin' This Fall Mama Box and mailer. So that must just be like a thing for next month. And then there is a thank you card in here. Thank you for your support. So that's really nice. So let's see, next. This is cute. It says, "You're beautiful. Don't change." It's like a little zipper pouch. Remember, Mama, you are beautiful. Keep that in mind every time you need somewhere to throw your pennies. This change purse is also from Blue Q. Retail value is $4. So that's actually great to keep in my car because I really don't use cash that often. I use my card, but when I do have change, I don't really know what to do with it. So that is good. All right, so now we have here Tangled in Squigglies. This is keep your car smelling fresh and with a great scented humorous air freshener from Fred and Friends. Retail value is $3. It says it is cinnamon and it's a bun and it says keep rolling. So that is cute. And let's see here. This says your children touch everything when you're not looking. So this is a hand sanitizer. Keep yours and the kids' hands clean with this silly sanitizer from my favorite Blue Q. Kills germs and guaranteed to give you a giggle every time you use it. Retail value is $6. So that is cute. And then we have, this is, keep your lips hydrated and happy with this scandalous lip conditioning whip from Jade and Madison. It is a lanolin base with a foxy tint. This company is a mom-based company as well. We love supporting other moms. Retail value is $20. So this is a lip gloss. I'm actually probably going to put this in my giveaway because this is a little too dark for me. So that'll be in the giveaway. But it's still a great item to get. And then here we have Marie Antoinette. Scented of lilac and cherry blossoms. It says laboratory mist. Let's be honest, no one wants to be the one to have a stinky toilet. Use this wonderful lavender scented Marie Antoinette Poo Spray from Blue Q. I always like to keep some in my purse for those public restroom moments. Retail value is $12. So this is great because I actually do keep in our guest bathroom the Poo-Pourri, and it just actually ran out, so this will be going in the spare bathroom. And then we have something super cute. What is this? It's a little... This mom has learned the hard way. It's best to be prepared and always have an extra bag handy. So here you go. Pop this cute foxy bag in your purse. This adorable fold-up bag is from Sass & Belle. Retail value is $7. Foldable shopping bag. You guys, oh my goodness, how cute. It pops out of the little fox and he's down here hanging out. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh, that is adorable. I love that. Here we have just a Boxy Momma company sticker. And it looks like we have one more thing in here. And this is stay cool and hydrated with this fab water bottle from Sass & Belle. I love it because it's cute and top rack dishwasher safe. Score. Retail value is $9. Has a tag. It says, "Take me with you." Oh, you guys, this is pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So it says, "Stay cool," and it's beautiful, like marbly type looking polka dots or watercolor. And it's got the lid, but I like that it has like, you can drink out of the spout, so you're not gonna like splash yourself in the face with your water. So that is so cute. I love that. So I am in love with this box, you guys. This was amazing. This is the perfect way to treat yourself as a mom and have useful, fun things to get everything done, because let's face it, moms, we have to do everything. We know this. So why not treat yourself and get products that you can use every day to get your things, your 1,783 things you have to do in a day done. Make it fun, make it cute. It's great. So this box was awesome. Like I said, I will link down below the link to get you to the website if you would like to sign up. It is $39.99 a month, but they do have the smaller option, the mailer, and you get about half of the products, and it is $19.99 a month. So that's still a great deal as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, please do subscribe if you have not already. Don't forget, enter the contest once you have subscribed. Otherwise, I will see you guys at the next video. I hope everyone has an absolutely wonderful weekend.